Is the S400 system used by Bharat overhyped? Hello guys, welcome back to Bharat Inc., Bharat's business blueprint, where we explore the country's heartbeat from its vibrant businesses to its vast borders. So the S400 system became the talk of the town when it successfully neutralized over 50 Pakistani drones on May 8 and 9. And it did it so perfectly that Indians were cheering and recording the attack instead of taking shelter. Yes, that's the confidence we have in our defense system. But what makes the S400 so powerful? The most crucial part of the system is its surveillance radar, which can detect enemy miles from 600 km away and keep an eye on 80 targets at the same time. This component alone makes the S400 unbeatable. But there's more. Next comes its fire control radar, which after receiving signals from the surveillance radar directs the missiles to hit the enemy target when it's 400 km away. And the best part about S400 system is that it shoots two missiles at the same time, making sure that the enemy target is completely destroyed. But there's something more about the system that makes it completely undefeatable. And we are talking about its speed. The speed of the S400 missiles is 15 Mach, which means they can travel 5 km per second. And let me tell you an interesting fact. There are no other vessels or drones in the whole world that can travel even 3 km per second. So, the S400 system is being celebrated for all the right reasons.